Hello and welcome to Hooray. Today we're going to learn some tips and techniques in the reading component for the IELTS exam. The reading component consists of 3 long passages and you have 60 minutes to complete this task. There are various kinds of questions in the reading test. Let's look at one of them today. Summary completion. Let's look at this question type in detail. Here's the description. The passage is given to read. Usually the passage is academic in nature, yet it will not require specialist knowledge. A summary of the passage will be given. Some of the words are missing. The summary is usually paraphrased. The instructions usually are in the form of write no more than 1 word from the text, write no more than 2 words from the text, write no more than 3 words from the text, or sometimes you may get write no more than 1 word and or a number. Let's look at the objectives. The tasks in the IELTS reading test is designed to assess a wide range of reading skills, including reading for the general sense of a passage, read for the main ideas, read for detail, understand inferences and implied meaning, recognize a writer's opinion, attitude and purpose, follow the development of an argument. All of the above will come into play as you attempt this task. Here are some strategies that would be helpful for you. Read and understand the instructions. Check the word limit. Underline the keywords and focus on words near the question. Scan the text for the ideas around the keywords. Remember, you will need to look for synonyms and parallel expressions. Sometimes you will not have a word bank. If you do not have a word bank, write down the exact words in the text. Let's take a look at a sample passage. Please read this in a few minutes. Here are the questions. There are 10 blanks with 10 questions. From the passage that you read, you have to select the appropriate answers for each blank. The instructions say choose no more than 2 words from the passage for each answer. You have to complete the summary below. Please read this carefully and answer these 10 questions now. Here are the answers. Harmony, contrast, waterborne, Chinese influences, chilies, Dutch or Portuguese, French, Japanese, dairy products, coconut milk, longer, periods is optional, both are acceptable, either longer or longer periods. Let's look at the explanation for the answers. Here are the first 5 explanations for the answers. Here are the explanations for answers 6 to 10. Some of the common problems our students encounter include A. Lack of comprehension of the passage, B. Inability to identify keywords, and C. Inability to paraphrase. The tips in the following slide will help you avoid these problems. You have to read voraciously, learn to search for keywords, develop your lexical resource or your vocabulary, look for questions in the text, learn to infer meaning from the passages, identify how many words you can read in a minute, look at the sight words or the keywords, listen to good readers, learn to improve your reading fluency by using a progress monitor, and do intensive research in libraries to read books on various topics and subjects. I hope these tips have been useful for you. Wish you all the best in your reading practice tests and find the answers for this particular kind of question, which is summary completion. Thank you.